KC Pier, once we've tested for radon, which takes about a 48-hour period, we'll take a look at the concentration levels, and then ultimately, if we've crossed thresholds that are considered by governmental standards to be unsafe, we will create a resolution or a mitigation plan. And that mitigation plan is customized to the homeowner, to the home. It really ultimately depends on the structure of the home and what plumbing techniques that we can take and how much area we have to cover to be considered safe. So at a really high level, a mitigation plan for radon actually consists of a lot of plumbing tubing and vacuum. So we're trying to create a space where we're pulling out old air from the basement, which includes the radon in that air, and replace that with clean air from the outside. And that replacement and cycle runs constantly, and by running constantly old air to new air, you create safe areas of radon. Now, if you're in a, say, a 1,500 square foot home, that may have a different radon plan than, say, a 4,000 square foot home. Or if the radon is found in one corner only, that will have a different radon plan than, say, all four corners or two corners and from the opposite direction. So as I mentioned, the radon plan or the mitigation plan is customized. It's a series of essentially plumbing tubings and barometers that will read the level of air pressure in the basement area, and then ultimately recycled with vacuums and fans, old air to new air. And the best part about us at KC Pier, we can integrate our radon mitigation with foundation repairs, whether it's waterproofing or structural repairs. We can integrate the two together, especially if you're doing a sump pump. We can actually integrate the radon system with the sump pump itself. And so there's a cost savings in dual functionality and diversity there that a lot of people don't necessarily realize. So those are the good points about radon testing and customizing with KC Pier. And then ultimately, especially for those that have done a foundation repair with the radon repair, we have maintenance plans that are included in every foundation repair that we do at KC Pier, so we can also integrate the maintenance of the radon system. So we recommend that we check a radon system at least once a year. We try to test them and at least twice a year with homeowners, but that's completely up to the homeowners, just to ensure that the vacuums and fans are working, that the old air is being pulled out and the new air is being replaced. But combining those two maintenance plans into one at the same cost is not only a cost savings, but ultimately it's safer for the homeowner as well.